I remember since childhood, I was so fascinated with the superpowers, with the superheroes, the comic characters, who can fly anywhere, who can save the world at the snap of the finger. Not the Thanos, but all the good heroes who have good motives, good intentions, brave hearts. Over a period of time, I realized that those are the fictitious characters. They are not real, but their superpowers are. And we are the ones who carry their superpowers in real. No, I'm not talking about flying in the sky and moving from one place to another, taking the entire building on your hand. I'm talking about the real superpower, the honesty, the courage to save the world, to be always upright, to having an attitude of never giving up are the real superpowers. We do have it since our birth, but due to the stress, the competition, the pressure, the trend we follow, we actually override or supersede our real natural superpowers. And we like to follow the herd, we like to follow the trend. So it's very important, guys, for all of us to maintain our personal identity, to realize what is our super strength, superpower. So dig deep in yourself, ask question to your inner child. What is special about you? What makes you different from others? What is your special unique ability that makes you stand out in the crowd? Just keep interrogating yourself. It has a huge and enormous benefits. Firstly, it will give you peace, that is most important. Secondly, it will realize your own power with which you can actually conquer the world in the true sense. Third, eventually it will make your life better also. It will give you the powers, the tools, the tricks to perform better in personal and professional world too. Be it any of the super strength of yours, either you'll be more empathetic, maybe you are more emotional towards other, that is, yes, that is also a superpower. You can feel the pain of others, you are more caring, you are more courageous, you're highly superly intelligent, you are a good communicator, you are able to express your feelings properly, or maybe you can reciprocate the feelings. Anything could be your superpower. Analyze it, value it more. That is very important. We often devalue the real superpowers, the real strengths, the real unique abilities of ours, and we put a mask on to behave what the people want us to behave. But that's very important to survive as your real identity, or I should say actually to be your real identity. Otherwise you will only be surviving in the world.